Welcome, welcome!
In Google Analytics,
you can customize the reports listed in the left navigation menu here, with the exception of the real-time report.
to suit your digital marketing and user behavior reporting needs.
You need to have editor role for whatever property you're using.
When you customize these reports, you have to be mindful that this can also change how other users of your J4 account view the reports.
So make sure only the appropriate personnel have edit permissions.
The reporting structure is broken down in the following manner. There are collections of reports like lifecycle and users, and within these collections you have report topics such as acquisition, engagement, and monetization. Each topic has at most one overview report, and then it can have multiple detailed reports.
We'll take a look at this library section, which is a hub for your collections and reports. Collections being a set of reports. And you'll notice that the collections matches what you see in the left navigation here. So lifecycle here and user collections are the same as what you see in the left navigation. You can edit the collection by creating topics or editing topics, as you can move detail reports and overview reports into various topics here. You can create a new collection by clicking on this area here, and you'll have the option to create a new collection using a blank slate. You can also use some of the templates that they have available. Now we can go down to the reports section. So these are the existing reports. If you move your cursor over to the right, you can see these three dots.
That gives you these options to edit, make a copy, rename, or delete the report. These are the reports that appear in the right column when you're customizing your collection. So you need to create a report here in order for it to show up to add for your collection. If you want to see how to create a custom overview report or a custom detailed report, click the link on the screen or the link in the bio for the full video. You can add or remove a collection in the left navigation by clicking on these three dots for a collection and then selecting the publish or unpublish option.
Each property can have up to 200 reports.
You can create specific reports for digital marketing campaigns or social media traffic, like I have here under the acquisition topic, or you can create a whole collection for social media traffic. Leave a comment if you'd like to see how to create and customize these reports.
If you found this helpful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want to join the Growth Learner community to learn more about analytics and data, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next episode.